BMW E90, continuous problem with valvetronic. So I have replaced like 3 motors to see if there's any difference. 1, 2, I have 3 sensors, and the problem was still coming up with valvetronic. And I tell you why now. So what happens? Happens that the valvetronic unit, which is here, this is just the second one that we had. We stripped it, and this valvetronic unit has this rocker arm inside, sitting here with a few springs and a few bearings. So what is the problem? The problem is that this shaft here should be moving, and actually motor is moving that shaft. Now it's all in pieces, so I just want to show you more or less the way it works. If this arm for some reason is not going smooth, the motor is locking and sending wrong signal to the sensor, and you have the code sooner or later, and that's why. So the problem actually is in the bearings. You cannot see the bearings, I show them later, but on this rocker arm here, the super German engineering shit makers, they made plastic bearings. In time, plastic is plastic, certainly. It's getting worse. People don't use the correct oils for that, and it's only a question of time when these bearings getting seized. So that's the problem, mainly on the valvetronics with BMWs. Not only the motors, not only the sensors, but can come from this part, and this is not so easy to do it. You need special tool like this one here to put it back. So that's why I consider BMW to be really big shit maker. Just stay away from that shit. Okay, that's the bearing. Only mentally unstable can make the bearing made of plastic put it such important spot. So here we go, shit makers. That's what valvetronic looks like.